Want to know how to sign out of Best Buy PC or laptop? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, if you want to switch account in Best Buy, you need to sign out from it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out easily. So let's get right into it. Now, just simply open up bestbuy.com on your web browser, and then you should be on this interface by default. And on the bottom, you should be seeing various navigation bar. And here you should also be seeing your account name, just simply like that. And now once you trigger that, here should be saying sign out on the top right side. So you can just simply select sign out. And now once you have selected sign out, you should automatically be signed out from Best Buy and you should be good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.